Welcome back to the channel. This is the playlist Common Investing Questions. Now, over a career of 20 years in all levels of financial services, both in Canada, United States, and also here in Brazil, I'm going to be hosting not only some of the new questions, but some of the age-old questions that people have about investing. These are going to range from the very simple how to do it, how to get started type of questions to the more complicated issues I think we're all facing coming out of COVID-19, one of the worst pandemics in my lifetime, certainly. So stay tuned, please subscribe, tap that button, and you'll get notifications every time I'm able to release a new video, which should be about once or twice a week. So thank you for joining me, and we'll see you real soon.